a pull jack just to support the rear lift gate. If you don't have one, you can have a helper hold it up while you're doing this. I'm gonna use a pick, just get underneath here. You can use a screwdriver as well. Pry that off, and just pop that off. And down below, do the same. Just pry this up. It should pop off just like that. Might be easier to start with the bottom than the top. We'll put the top on, lock it down. Then you can twist that so it lines up. If you have to, you can raise the lift gate, line it up, lock it down, and then you can do the same for the other side.